Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and for this video, I will guide you how to install OBS or Open Broadcaster software. So let's start. So first, open your Google Chrome. Then google.com. Then open natin or i-type natin si OBS project.com. And yung unang lalabas, click lang natin. Then ipaprompt niya tayo dito sa OBS Studio. So, mamimili tayo kung anong OS ba yung gamit natin. Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Pero karamihan sa mga teachers today ay gamit ay Windows. Take note, pwede lang si OBS sa Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. So, click natin si Windows. And then, yan, guys, magda-download na siya dito. Wait lang natin itong ma-full. So, yan, full na siya. So, double click lang natin, guys, to open. Then, a dialog box displayed in your PC asking your permission to run the installer. So, ito yung lalabas. So, we just click yes. OBS Studio Installer will display a welcome screen. Then, click next. After that, a license agreement is displayed. Once you understand, click next. Then click install. Wait until the installation process is complete. Once na the installation process is complete, ito naman yung lalabas. So, click Finished. Once the installation is complete, mag-a-appear sa ating desktop ang OBS Studio icon. Well, congratulations! You successfully installed the OBS Studio. Para naman i-explore kung anong meron sa application na ito, see you on my next video. Good luck!